Hi, I'm Hannah and I'm here at Upton Oxmoor. Did you know this is the only Louisville community that offers a complimentary moving service? Allison's inside. Let's go in there and learn more about it.
Hi, welcome back to Upton. Today we're going to change your perception on moving day. I think we can all agree moving can be time-consuming and exhausting, but we found the solution by partnering with the team at Cardinal to make moving day more enjoyable and easier. Here's Jake for the rundown.
Hey, I'm Jake with Cardinal Moving, and I'm excited to tell you about the complimentary moving service you receive when you lease at Upton. We are a locally owned and operated business here in Louisville, Kentucky. We ask that you would give us a 2 weeks notice, that way we could book you at your convenience on our schedule. When you book with Cardinal, you receive a 26-foot truck and 2 professional movers. We're excited to make a stressful day less stressful.
That's perfect. So you have 2 hours and you can use them however you like?
Correct. You just need to determine if you would like to use those 2 hours for unloading only, or if you prefer to have help packing at your current residence, they can do that too.
Great. So really, whatever your residents need help with, you guys have it covered.
You got it. So on move-in day, you just need to show up, pick up your keys, and relax in the bullet house while Cardinal Moving does the heavy lifting.
You guys are doing great.